The length of this is just great. It comes in and gives me enough room to actually get everything off my feet, but the width is a little bit short for a door. I mean, if it went exactly to the door, but we go in and we go to the left as we walk in. So that's the only complaint I got about this. Other than that, it's cleaning my feet well. Thank you.
You can see how thin the nubs are. Those little lines and everything are looking down on the bottom of the mat.
Buddy, show them about your rug. Look at that. It just like plucks right out. I mean, it doesn't take anything. And then he sprinkles it all over the house. He likes the rug, but Mom doesn't.